On this very wet and windy day, I am testing the Subaru Impreza with my family. And let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Impreza, there are isofix in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs within plastic guides and nice and easy to access through the boot. Now, I have actually managed to get 3 child seats in the back here. I don't think you get 3 full-size forward-facing ones, but I've got a rear-facing, a booster and a forward-facing child seat, and they fit really nicely. Just accessing those seatbelt clips is quite difficult for that central seat, as in most cars. Now in the back here, legroom is fantastic. With a rear-facing child seat, we can get a 180cm driver in front, which is really good. Storage is good throughout the Impreza. There are 2 cup holders in the front. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a little storage area behind and the phone charging well in front of the gear lever with USB and 12-volt sockets. The central console box isn't a bad size, and that's got USB and 12-volt sockets in too. The glove box is a really good size in here. That will hold a manual and an iPad and my wallet. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's the storage well handles too. In the back there are 2 cup holders and a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a single mat pocket on the back which will hold an iPad but not conceal it. And the door bins are a bit smaller in the back. They'll only hold a 600ml water bottle, but there are the little storage well handles too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Subaru Impreza. Empty will hold 11 shopping bags, or a twin side-by-side stroller and 2 shopping bags, tandem stroller and 3 shopping bags, single stroller and 4 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 7 shopping bags, or a large dog. The Impreza is a really nice car to drive. It's not overcomplicated with technology and things like that. It's just very light, fast, nimble, it corners really well, and it's great fun as a family car. The media system in the Impreza is lovely and simple and easy to use. There's a couple of good features like being able to easily mute the guidance volume, and within the settings there's a sound page where you can change the sound of a lot of things, which is helpful when you've got kids in the car. Now there's also CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is great. When you put it into reverse, camera image is a little bit pixelated, but it fills this whole screen, and you get a little picture in the screen at the top here down the left hand side of the car. So to sum up with the Subaru Impreza, it's a really practical 5-seater hatch. Legroom is excellent in the back there, boot space is good, media system's good, and it's a great car to drive.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.